And I think that's what led you to getting therapy when you started feeling a little weird after your first fight. I mean, that's a very intelligent to seek help, to try to figure out, okay, there's got to be a good way to handle this, and I need tools.
Yeah, and there's a stigma around it as well. Even when I mentioned it, I think I put it after. That's when I became. China helped a lot as well, like being away from my comfort zone, being in the mainland, and excuse me.
Hey.
My man. Opa. Like, China helped me get ready for all this because being a big black man in the mainland, they don't really see people like us all the time.